The GX Plus Whiteboard gives you everything you need to create interactive lessons, collaborate with students, and save your work, all in one place. Let's take a quick tour. Start with the menu, where you can create a new board. Open existing lessons. Import files like PDFs. Customize the whiteboard. And share or export your lessons when you're finished. Along the bottom, you'll find your everyday teaching tools. Use Select to move and edit objects, Pen to write or draw, Erase to make quick changes, and Undo or redo whenever you need them. When you're ready to enhance your lesson, explore the Tools and Resources menus. Open Tools for features like Tables, Mind Maps, and Pair Mode. Then explore Resources to add simulations, images, 3D models, and interactive math and science content. With these essentials, you're ready to use the GX Plus Whiteboard to simplify teaching and create more engaging lessons.